Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome to Simple Trader, your go-to destination for all things trading. I'm Suyog, and I'm excited to embark on this trading journey with you. Whether you're a complete beginner looking to learn the ropes or an experienced trader seeking new insights, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the world of trading, let me share a bit about my journey. I've been trading for 1 year, and along the way, I've experienced the highs and lows of the financial markets. My goal with this channel is to help you navigate these waters more confidently and profitably. At Simple_Trader channel, our mission is simple: to empower you with knowledge. We believe that informed traders make better decisions. We'll cover everything from trading strategies and market analysis to risk management and trading psychology. Our aim is to provide you with practical, actionable insights that you can use in your trading journey. But remember, this channel isn't just about me talking to you, it's about building a community. I want to hear from you, too. If you have questions, comments, or specific topics you'd like me to cover, please drop them in the comments section below. Let's make this a two-way conversation. In upcoming videos, we'll explore various trading strategies, break down technical analysis, discuss and share tips on how to manage risk effectively. Plus, I'll be doing live trading sessions and sharing my real experiences in the market. So, if you're ready to embark on this trading journey with me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, Simple Trader, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Remember, trading is a journey, not a destination, and we're in this together. Until next time, happy trading.